What's up, my Anbu Elite community? Get ready for another GENIN level bow staff combo. Let's get on to it. Here's how the technique's gonna look. First, we're gonna keep our hands in reverse grip like I said before in the previous video. Go ahead and check that out. And we're gonna get ourselves into a forward stance facing my right direction. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the left side of the bow staff with my left hand outward facing that direction. So what I'm gonna do, this is how we're gonna start. Now I'm gonna pull my left hand under my armpit, facing in the other direction, while at the same time transitioning my bow staff to the right side, angling upward. Then, without moving my hands, I'm going to go ahead and lift up above my head, put my left hand under my right rib cage, and then strike. After that, I'm going to release my hands grip, my right hand's grip, but not too soon. Guide the bow staff behind my head, like so. Follow my fist up for a right hook, which brings some of the momentum for me to go ahead and throw my bow staff like a whip. Let me do it again. Throw bow staff like a whip. Whoosh. Grab the bow staff with both hands. Now my hands like this. Same time, turn around. Being a wheel kick or hook kick. And then I'm going to go ahead and transition my hands into a reverse grip. At the same time, turn it around. Strike above. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring my left hand up from my armpit, boom, like so. And now I'm going to bring it back to my left hip, at least around here. Be careful not to stab yourself. Practice part slow. And then get into a forward stance facing that direction, but my whole torso is facing towards the right. Finishing it with a blow, like so. So all together, here's how it's going to look. That's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Also, if you want to join the rankings and earn the Anbu Elite GENIN rank, just like another person that else on this channel that has done that same thing too, go ahead and comment down below GENIN and I will hook you up with a link to a video that's going to show you the entire workout and of course the training session. If you want to see more martial arts tutorials and martial arts content on this page, on this channel, please go ahead and support this channel by hitting that like and subscribe. And of course, hitting on the Patreon so you can see some behind the scenes footage of some fight projects that I myself have worked on. Thank you so much. See you later.